Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Just a quick reminder before I get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell so that you never miss any of my content. Today I'm bringing you a wig review for pinkypromise.com. We're going to take a look at this really cute new style by Wille. This is Nola, and the color on this one is Bahama Beige Shaded. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start taking a look at this cute new style called Nola. So really cute style. I love her. She reminds me of Dance, which is one of my favorite styles by Wille. She just has a little bit less curl and maybe more of a bang layer. I don't have my Dance right here by me, so I can't remember exactly what all she looks like, but that's what she reminds me of. And I think she's really cute. Just easy little throw on and go style. So really cute. So this is regular synthetic fiber. The cap is considered to be petite average, just like most Wille caps are. It's fitting my petite head perfectly, which I love. So, but let's see, there's a little, we'll see how much stretches in the cap when I take it off. I know that they have a little bit of stretch, so I think if you're average and maybe just slightly above average, it will probably fit. But for my petite headed friends, it's fitting my 21-inch circumference, 11 ear to ear, 13 forehead to nape, just perfectly. So I'll do a turn so we can see her on all sides, and then we'll get into all her specs and stuff. So. Okay, so she is an extended lace front. Lace front looks really nice. So it gives you that true temple to temple coverage. You can see that they put, Wille doesn't put as many of those light hairs at the lace front, but the knots are very tiny, so it looks fine. But you do see a little bit of, a few of them, but it's not as heavy as it is on some other brands. And then I'll show you the part, left mono part. I've got great coverage around the face at the ear tabs. You can see that rooting color, of course, at the ear tabs as well. So really cute. So measurement wise, she is 8 inches here in the front. I guess she doesn't have as much of a bang as I thought she did. I was thinking there was a shorter layer in here. Nope, I'm wrong. Sorry about that. It's just the way the hair is laying. See how it looks like there's a little bang layer right there? Didn't examine her as closely as I thought. Anyway, back to the measurements. 8 inches here in the front, 9.25 inches at the crown, 7.5 inch sides, 4 inch nape, and she comes in weight-wise at 2.9 ounces. So I will pop her off and we can look at the interior of her cap. Okay, let's take a look at her cap construction. So we have this left mono part that goes all the way back to the crown. I love it when these wig companies do that. So right here we just have closed lace. I'm not feeling permatease on the top. The only place I'm feeling maybe just a tiny bit of tease is where the hair is attached to the wefts attached to the cap. So just at the very edge of that weft, but it's not a lot. So I don't really even count that as permatease. So don't think that she has permatease. Okay, so we've got an extended lace front, extends down those ear tabs. They did a great job with that. The ear tabs look good. They're not sparse or anything. We've got soft felt ear tabs with a good piece of metal in there to keep that flush against your face. Open wefting all through this cap. Velcro adjusters. Soft extended nape. There is stretch in the cap since this is a wefted cap. So that's what I'm saying. Even though it's petite average, these wefted caps will stretch up, a little bit into average and just barely above average. Okay, let's take a look at this pretty color. So this is the Bahama Beige Shaded or Rooted. Shaded is the same thing as rooted. You can clearly see that it has a rooting on it. The numbers that correlate, in case you're a numbers person versus a name person on colors, 16, 25, 20 are the numbers that are within this style. So the description for Bahama Beige Shaded is a medium honey blonde, a light ash blonde, and lightest reddish brown blend with a medium brown root. Say that 10 times fast, my goodness. Okay, so I'll show you the rooting first. You can clearly see that medium brown root. And in that color code, they don't indicate a root. So that's what I'm saying. Like, I tend to go by the names for Wille versus the color codes. So, but really pretty distribution of the colors. I can definitely see, the blondes going through this. Even though they have a light ash blonde in their description, I feel like the color is more warm to neutral. Don't really feel like it's a super cool color, but I would definitely say it's neutral. Whenever you're seeing, it does have a medium honey blonde in it. When you're hearing honey, think gold. Sandy is gold, you know, so because of that honey color, I wouldn't say that it's a completely cool color. But if you can wear a neutral tone and you like cools, you know, you can wear a little bit of warmth, I think this might work for you. So that root is going to show, you're going to see it here, you know, around the face. If you style the hair, when you separate the hair, you're going to see it anywhere you separate that hair. So, okay, let's go check out this pretty color outside. Okay, so shaded light under my patio cover. There's the lace front. You can see that rooting out here. You can see that dimension in the blonde. So coming towards the, I'm in the shade, but you know, more with the sun is right in front of me. So you can see how that rooting lightens up as you get towards the sunlight. Then we'll step into the sun. Okay, we can look at glasses and styling and all that kind of stuff. She's very, very easy to tuck behind the ear, which I love. And this is one way that you could style her. And I think she looks really cute like that. And it also just makes it really easy to get those layers, you know, away from your face a little bit if you need to be looking down or, you know, in the wind or whatever. So glasses are super easy. She's low density. Your readers, your sunglasses, whatever, you know. I think you could also just, you know, put it in the hair too, because she's got a little bit of wave to her, you know, so, but she should be really cute with a headband. And since that front layer is 8 inches, you can get it all back in that headband if you want to. Again, that's a really easy way on your fibers to just get the hair out of your face. So, you know, you don't have to contend with the hair in certain situations, you know. And then you could also pull down this little layer in the front if you wanted to. It's a pretty little wave by the face. Really cute. I don't think she has the length to go half up. Let's see. I'll try to clip her. There's not a lot of hair that's going to go into the clip. Maybe if you like really worked on it back here. Let's see if we really smooth it. I think these hairs around the face are going to want to come down, but you could certainly just let them come down. Oh yeah, that looks kind of cute. So, you know, it's pretty secure. Yeah, I think you could do that. I think you could definitely do that, but just know that you're going to have these layers around your face. They're not going to stay in there. So that looks really, really cute. But she doesn't really have the length, you know, for an updo or anything like that. You could always do some, you know, twist it and take it off the face, you know, show that pretty lace front and things like that. So, but I just think she's, honestly, I just like her just like this. You could also use, you know, some product in her, wake up the texture a little bit, things like that, and that would be cute too. So I just think she is really adorable. So thank you to Pinky Promise for setting this wig to review for you all today. There'll be purchase information in the drop-down box down below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.